Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by fixing the moment. Pick a time your mom is available and relaxed, then secure cover so nothing spoils the plan. Once chosen, invite one trusted helper and a backup who can step in if needed. Gather the core items, gift, card, favorite snack, and a tidy reveal space so you don't improvise under pressure. Make sure to check small logistics like travel time and phone availability. This prevents last-minute cancellations and preserves the element of surprise. You now coordinate people and props. Assign clear roles: who will greet, who photographs, who plays decoy, and share concise instructions. Once roles are set, prep physical items, wrap the gift, cue a playlist, charge the camera, and stage the space so lighting and seating work. Run a short rehearsal or timeline over text to confirm cues and timing. Make sure to anticipate her typical reactions so the greeter knows when to start the reveal and when to give space for emotions. You carry out the reveal. Approach calmly, make eye contact, and deliver the surprise in one clear moment, then step back and let her react. Once done, celebrate with a short, heartfelt explanation and hand over any gifts. Make sure to give her time to process. If anything goes wrong, she's late, suspicious, or upset, pivot quickly. Move to a private call, reschedule for the same day, or simplify the celebration to reduce stress. This keeps the intention intact and preserves the relationship.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.